In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a file to Google Drive from the trash bin. This is an essential skill to have, especially if you've accidentally deleted a file and need to recover it without any hassle. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. Firstly, what you'll need to do is open your Google Drive. Now, if you're unfamiliar with accessing Google Drive, simply go to drive.google.com and sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in your Google Drive, take a look at the left-hand side of your interface. This is where you'll find a series of options, including My Drive, Shared with Me, and right below that, you'll see Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash, and this will bring up all the files that you've deleted in the last 30 days. Google retains deleted files for 30 days, giving you a chance to recover anything during this time frame. Once you're in the trash, scroll through to locate the file that you need to restore. If you have a lot of files to sift through, you can use the search bar at the top to search for your specific file. It's a huge time saver if you remember a keyword or the file name. After you've found the file, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. Here, you'll see the Restore option. Click on Restore, and just like that, the file will be moved back to its original location in your Google Drive. This makes it super easy to continue working with it as if it was never gone. A quick note, if you'd like to permanently delete a file from the trash instead of restoring it, you can select Delete Forever from that same menu. But do remember, once you've permanently deleted a file, it cannot be recovered, so use this option with caution. Restoring files on mobile devices is pretty straightforward too. If you're using the Google Drive app, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll and tap on Trash. In this view, tap and hold on the file you wish to restore until several options pop up at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on Restore, and your file will be back in action. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily restore any file you might have deleted accidentally on both desktop and mobile. Understanding how to recover your files efficiently is an essential component of managing your digital workspace seamlessly. When you feel more confident in managing your Google Drive, not only do you save time, but you also breathe easier, knowing your important files are always within reach. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.